In this video, I'm going to be going over how to build a website with Hostgator step by step. Building a website with Hostgator is a quick and easy process. I'll also be providing you with an exclusive Hostgator promo code that Hostgator has provided me with, so you can save some money on your Hostgator hosting purchase, plus get a free domain name on annual plans or domain discount on non-annual plans. You'll get a greater discount than you see here. Let's get started with the Hostgator tutorial going over how to build a website with Hostgator. The first thing you want to do to build a website on Hostgator is to click the link in the description below so you can be taken to Hostgator, and so you can take advantage of the Hostgator discount by getting an exclusive discount. I've included the promo code to enter at checkout with the link. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Hostgator at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Hostgator discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the Hostgator homepage. Click the Get Started button. You'll now be on the Hostgator plans page. You'll see 3 different plans you can choose from: the Hatchling, Baby, and Business plan. You'll see the discounted amount that is being shown for the plans. You'll be able to save even more than what is showing with our exclusive Hostgator promo code. The Hatchling plan is a great plan if you're going to have just one site or just starting out. The Hatchling plan allows for you to have one website. If you're going to have multiple sites, the Baby plan is a good plan as it allows unlimited websites. The Business plan comes with unlimited sites like the Baby plan and includes more features like a free upgrade to a positive SSL, a free dedicated IP, and the Hostgator add-on SEO tools. Click the Buy Now button on the plan you want to select. For this tutorial, I'm going to select the Hatchling plan. You will now be on the Choose a Domain section. You'll see you'll get a free domain name for annual plans. If you go with the non-annual plan, you get a domain discount by using our exclusive promo code at checkout. You can type in a domain name that you like for your site. If you click the .com over to the right, you can choose a domain extension you want for your domain name. If you already own a domain name, you can click on the I already own this domain tab at the top and type in the domain you own. After you choose your domain, scroll down and you'll see the domain privacy protection that is selected if you chose a domain name. You can select or unselect domain privacy. Completely up to you. I do recommend domain privacy as it'll keep your personal information private so that spammers and telemarketers won't have access to your personal information and contact you by phone and email with offers of their services. When you register a domain name, no matter what company you choose, the domain goes into the public WHOIS directory as domain names are regulated. If you select domain privacy, it'll show Hostgator's default contact information instead of yours. Highly recommend domain privacy plus protection. Now let's enter the Hostgator promo code. Scroll down to the Enter a Coupon Code section. Replace the promo code that is there with Cupid60. Scroll back up to the Billing Cycle section. You'll now see the new discounted rates showing. You'll see you can save the most money by going with a 12-month term. You can choose to pay monthly, every 6 months, 12 months, or 36 months. Once you choose a hosting term to go with, scroll down to the Create Your Hostgator Account section, enter an email address and password. Next, scroll down to the Enter Billing Info section, input your billing information. You can also choose to pay with PayPal if you wish. Next, scroll down to the Add Additional Services section. This is where you can select any Hostgator add-on services that you want. All these add-ons are completely optional. You'll see the SSL certificate add-on. Hostgator does come with a free SSL certificate for your site, so this add-on isn't necessary unless you want to upgrade to a positive SSL certificate, which will allow you to show a site security badge on your site if you like. And with the positive SSL certificate, you'll have a $10,000 limited guarantee warranty by Komodo. Next, you will see SiteLock Essentials. This add-on checks your website daily for malware and protects your site from hackers and malicious attacks. It will notify you if your site has been hacked into and malicious code has been placed into it. SiteLock Essentials also removes malware automatically. This add-on can be beneficial and give you peace of mind if your site were to get hacked into and malware is placed on it. If you're going to be using WordPress for your site, there are free security plugins that do a good job at security as well. The next add-on is Professional Email. This add-on provides you with an email address ending in your domain name along with other features provided by Google Workspace such as Gmail, Calendar, Chat, cloud storage with Drive, video conferencing with Meet, and many more Google Workspace features. I do want to note that Hostgator does come with free email addresses ending in your domain name, so this add-on isn't necessary unless you really want to utilize all the added features with Google Workspace. The next add-on is Site Backup. This will back up your site daily, and you can restore your site to a previous backup with a click of a button with their one-click restore. This add-on can be a good one because if your site gets hacked into, or you mess something up while creating it, or editing it, you can restore it to the version right before whatever happened took place and everything will be back to normal. This add-on can be very beneficial as you never know when you might need it. The next add-on is Hostgator SEO Tools. Hostgator SEO Tools will provide you with reports, insights, and analytics regarding the SEO for your site, and it'll recommend things to do to improve the SEO of your site. It will also report your site to search engines. This add-on isn't really necessary. It touches the basics in terms of SEO and is limited in what it tracks. It could be helpful for some if you aren't familiar with SEO at all. Next, you'll be at the Enter a Coupon Code section. If you haven't already, replace the promo code that is there with the Hostgator promo code I provided with the link in the description to take advantage of our exclusive Hostgator discount. Now just scroll down and accept the terms and conditions and click the Checkout Now button. You will now be directed to a thank you page. Hostgator will now email you your Hostgator receipt and your Hostgator billing and cPanel login credentials so you can begin creating your site. Hostgator will now automatically take you to the Hostgator dashboard. We now want to start building and creating a website with Hostgator. To do this, we want to install WordPress. You can do this a few ways. You can click the Install WordPress link. It'll now take you to the Install WordPress page. You can also get to the WordPress install page by clicking the Launch cPanel button, which will take you to the Hostgator cPanel. If you log into your Hostgator cPanel, you'll be here on the main cPanel page. Scroll all the way down to the bottom to the Softaculous Apps Installer. Click on WordPress. Click the Install Now button. You're now on the WordPress setup page. Where you see the Choose a Protocol, I recommend having this at first HTTP. It can take up to 24 hours upon signing up with Hostgator to get the free SSL certificate, going to where you can choose HTTPS without any errors. You can easily implement the free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate after you install and set up WordPress with a few clicks, which will make it HTTPS. Next, choose the domain that you want to have for the WordPress installation. You'll see the version of WordPress you want to install. I'm going to keep this on the current version. Next, put in the site name, site description. You'll see you can select Enable Multi-Site, WPMU, and disable WordPress cron. I'm going to keep these unselected. Over to the right, put in the admin username, which will be the username for logging into WordPress. Put in a password and put in an email address. Scroll down and you can change the language for WordPress if you'd like. If you want anything over on the right, you can select it. I'm not going to select anything. Next, if you click Advanced Options, there are selections you can select if you like. I'm going to keep these as they are. Next, scroll down to Select a Theme. You can choose a WordPress theme for your site here. There are thousands of themes to choose from in the WordPress dashboard. If you happen to see one here you like, feel free to select it, but you can do this in WordPress. Click the Install button. WordPress is now being installed. It'll take just a few minutes. Once it is done installing, you will see congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Click the administrative URL to go to the WordPress dashboard. This is the WordPress dashboard. Something to note, I would bookmark the administrative URL as this is the easiest way to log into WordPress to begin in creating your site. To log into WordPress, just enter your domain name with a /wp-admin, just like you see here. This will take you to the WordPress login page for your site. Once logged in, you'll be in the WordPress dashboard. You can now begin creating your site. Let's get to know WordPress a bit. We now want to pick out a theme to begin creating a site. To pick out a theme for your site, on the far left, you will see tabs. Find the Appearance tab and hover over it. Click Themes, as this is where you can pick out a theme for your site. Next, click Add New Theme at the top. You'll now see popular WordPress themes. If you click latest, it'll show you the latest WordPress themes that you can choose from. There are thousands of themes you can choose from. Once you find a theme, hover over it and click the install button. Once it is done installing, click the activate button. This is now the WordPress theme for your site. Let's continue in getting to know WordPress. On the far left, you will see post. Post is where you can add new posts. Pages is where you can add new pages. The Media tab is where you can upload images to your site, or where your images will show that you have already uploaded to your site. Comments is where you can view comments people leave on your blog. Hover over the Plugins tab in the left menu. Click Add New. This is where you can add new plugins for your site. Pretty much any feature or customization you would want, more than likely there's a plugin to do that. One of the best plugins that can make starting your WordPress site on Hostgator easier is the plugin called Elementor. Elementor Page Builder is a drag and drop editor for WordPress. Elementor is the #1 WordPress page builder, and over 8 million websites have been built with Elementor. This plugin can save you a ton of time and lots of headaches figuring out how to make specific customization. This plugin has a free version and a paid version. I provide a link in the description below to check out Elementor. If you want to activate this plugin for your WordPress site, find the Plugins tab over to the left and click Add New. Type in Elementor in the search field. You'll see the Elementor plugin. Click the Install Now button and click Activate to activate the plugin. Another great site if you need help with design or customizations in WordPress is Fiverr. Fiverr is a great place to get tasks done at a cheap and competitive price. It is helpful if you need a logo, website changes, or something else done. I provide the link in the description below. That is my Hostgator tutorial going over how to build a website with Hostgator. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Hostgator web hosting tutorial videos.